Hello everyone, so in the previous video we have learned an amazing thing about Python, that is how we can automate our WhatsApp, that is like how we can send someone a customized message on WhatsApp using just 2 lines of codes in Python and this amazing library package Pywhatkit. Let me show you this Pywhatkit package. This is the documentation of Pywhatkit, and if you want to install it, if you haven't installed this in your system, all you have to copy this command. And let me show you first what all it can do. Like, it can send someone WhatsApp image, it can send someone WhatsApp message, and like a lot of random stuff it can do. So and I will come to this PyCharm, and just to install, I'll write this pip install Pywhatkit and press enter. I already have this installed in my system, so this is not going to do anything. Now, I have installed this, and now I'm going to import this library, import Pywhatkit as pw. I'm using an alias, you can just use it anyhow. So now pw.c, all these functions are available. So for this video, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this Pywhatkit to play a specific video on YouTube. This particular function, this play on night, is going to open my YouTube and play a video on it. So all I have to do is just like this, and inside it, suppose if I have the keyword, like I'll just provide the keyword Vande Mataram. Okay, and if I execute this is going to take some like 5 to 10 seconds, and this is going to play this. The ad is coming. Let me skip the ad. See, it's Ma Tujhe Salam Vande Mataram by A.R. Rahman, and this is from Sony Music India Vivo. So thank you for having this patriotic song. So this is going to play. I have to unmute it. Now suppose instead of this keyword, instead of playing any random video with this keyword Vande Mataram, you want to play a specific video, right? So all you have to do is, you just have to provide the link like this. So this is the link of the video. I have given the link here, and I'm going to execute this. Now this time, this function is going to play the specific video, right? It's going to open that link basically, and this is the link of that video, So yes, that's all about this video, and I hope you like this video. Just go and play around it. Like, this is an amazing package, amazing. This has a lot of functions inside it. Just go and play with this Pywhatkit.